I'm Roby, your AI-powered guide. I'd say I'm cutting edge, but I was updated 5 minutes ago, which makes me practically ancient. Let's do this. Ever feel like data and information are used interchangeably? You're not alone, but understanding the difference is crucial, because raw data is just noise until it's transformed into something meaningful. So, what exactly separates data from information? By the end of this video, you'll not only know the difference, but also how businesses, AI, and knowledge management systems like Guru turn data into actionable insights. Data, the raw material. Think of data as the building blocks, unprocessed, unorganized, and often meaningless on its own. Imagine a spreadsheet full of numbers, customer transactions, timestamps, or scattered words. Without context, it's just a collection of facts with no clear story. Examples of raw data: a list of support tickets with timestamps, but no resolution status. Temperature readings from different sensors. Click-through rates from a marketing campaign. It's all there, but without interpretation, it tells us nothing useful. Information. Data with context now. When data is processed, structured, and analyzed, it becomes information. It gains meaning and helps us make decisions. For example, instead of just ticket timestamps, you categorize them by resolution time to identify bottlenecks in customer support. Instead of a list of raw temperatures, you analyze trends to predict equipment failures. Instead of isolated click-through rates, you compare them across campaigns to see what messaging works best. Information is data made useful. It answers questions, guides actions, and provides clarity. Why does this matter? Every business, every AI system, and even our own decision-making rely on this transformation. AI-powered tools like Guru take unstructured data, emails, chats, documents, and turn it into searchable, connected information. This ensures teams get the right answers when they need them, without sifting through endless noise. So, next time you're drowning in data, remember, it's not about having more of it. It's about making it meaningful. And if you're looking for a way to turn scattered knowledge into instantly accessible insights, check out Guru's demo to see how AI-powered knowledge agents can revolutionize the way you work.